So yung boy, kamusta? Day off vlog tayo ulit. As usual, papunta kami sa gym ngayon. Tapos hindi ko pa alam kung bibili ng kape muna. Kasi nagkape na kami kanina, breakfast, hindi ko na na-videoan eh. Kasi wala akong energy talaga eh. Daming iniisip. Mga shit sa buhay. Daming iniisip. So kailangan ng power ng kape. Tingnan natin kung dadaan kami sa 7-Eleven. Let's go. So yung boy, dito na kami sa gym. Tapos dumaan kami sa 7-Eleven, natuloy yung kape namin. Ito. Kahit mainit kape muna. Kailangan eh. Dapat ang bibili namin yung malamig, magtitimpla kami. Kaso ang problema, late na dumating yung cup na may yellow.
Ice cup.
Nung pa-out na kami, palabas na ng 7-Eleven, dun pala nilagay nung sales yung ano tawag doon? Ice cup. Nilalagay dun sa frigidaire nila. So nauwi sa hot coffee. Pero pwede na rin to para may power. So ubusin muna namin to bago magbuhat. Baka doon na siguro namin ubusin to sa loob. So yun, let's go.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So yung boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. So pauwi na muna sa bahay. Hindi ko pa alam yung mangyayari mamaya. Mamayang hapon. Kasi anong oras na ba? Hapon na pala, 1:20 PM na. So uwi muna kami, tapos magla-lunch. Tapos malaman kung may gagawin pa. Let's go. So yung boy, hapon na. After mag-workout kanina, kumain lang kami, tapos nagpahinga saglit. Nag-stream pala ako. Nag-stream ako ng DCD, Dunk City Dynasty, yung basketball. Tapos si Mrs. naglaba ng kaunti. Papunta kami ngayon sa Evo. Papagpag ng kaunti rin kasi medyo matagal-tagal nang di nakatakbo sa Evo. Medyo maliwanag pa naman, parang ang bilis dumilim ngayon. Pero tingin ko abot pa yan. So yun, kita-kits na lang tayo doon. So pagdating pala doon, mag-switch na ako sa cellphone. Cellphone na lang muna yung pang B-roll ko para hindi ma-hassle. Let's go. Lalabas din yan. So yung boy, tumatakbo na kami. Tamang takbo lang, hindi ko alam kung magpa 5K ako ngayon or 10K. Bahala na, depende sa mood. Kung ganahan siguro G's. Pag medyo tinamad, baka 5-5 lang pag tinamad. Let's go. So yung boy, tapos na kami tumakbo. 6K yung ginawa namin kanina. Pero mabagal lang, tamang pagpag lang. Tapos ngayon, maghanap kami ng makakainan dito. Hindi pa sure kung may makukurso na daang pagkain. So yun, let's go. So yung boy, nandito kami sa mesa. Ito yung napili naming kainan. Kasi inikot-ikot namin kanina eh. Ito yung nakusunadahan namin kasi subok na rin to eh. Nakailang kain na rin kami dito. So far yung lasa ng food nila subok na. So waiting game lang muna kami sa order. Pakita ko sa inyo later. Let's go. Dumating na ba yung order? Pakita ko sa inyo pre, pakita ko sa inyo. Garlic rice boy. Ito two-tone daw to eh. Two-tone na squid. Tapos ensalada. Tapos beef, braised beef. Tapos siya one whole rice. Gutom na gutom kanina sa takbo. Let's go. So yung boy, tapos na kami kumain. Tapos eto, nag-crave sa dessert. So bumanat muna ng bebang halo-halo. Pero scrambled yung binili namin. Okay naman. Ito, scramble. Yan. Bembang halo-halo. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit bebang. Mas bembang halo-halo, mas catchy. Dapat ginawa nilang bembang halo-halo na lang. Dapat ang bibili namin yung classic. Kaso parang masyadong maraming sahog. Siguro next time na lang matikman. Kaya scrambled muna. Scrambled ba? Scramble
lang.
Scramble lang pala, hindi scrambled. Kala ko hubad eh, kaya scrambled eh. Kala ko bold. So yun, busin muna namin to. Tapos pauwi na boy. Wala nang mangyayari. Let's go. Uwi na boy. Let's go. Oh, tingin. Medyo madilim. Gabi na eh. Mag-alas 9 na ata. Pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. So yun. Hindi ko alam kung may mangyayari pa mamaya. May ganap pa ba sa bahay? Wala na eh. Wala nang ganap. So baka dito ko natatapusin tong vlog na to. Sas makita-kita na lang tayo ulit sa susunod na upload. So yun, subscribe boy. Let's go.